What's up, guys? Today, little baby is gonna the little baby is gonna get his hair washed in the washing machine. What's up? What's up, Daddy? Now I have enough money to buy a scooter and a PlayStation 4. Now I have enough money. I have enough money to buy me a PlayStation 5. No, I want the PlayStation 5 now. Why is he wearing makeup? Whatever. Mom, find you. Well, we're just gonna hang here with baby sis and baby Brius. What's up, baby bruh? What's up? Well, I'm just supposed to be sitting here. Don't I have some? Man, I'll just shrink him out of here, man. Somehow he got out. Alright. Well, now, okay. Well, we're just gonna make a conference meeting. Which there's nothing to talk about. So what are we gonna do? Okay. Okay. Ooh, maybe I can put the money in my piggy bank. Yeah, 'cause you have no money, sis. And sis, I don't think that big old money can fit in your piggy bank. It can. What do I mean? And why are you touching my money? Who cares? It's Dad's money. He's letting him keep it safe for us. And I don't think you can be responsible enough. Or is it me or you? Me or you? You. No, it's me. No, it's you. No, it's me. I'm responsible for the money. And you're responsible. You shut up. Whatever. Okay. I did put on this. Yeah. What kind of shoes does brother have? Whatever. Well, should I go get a sandwich? Yes, there's nothing to do. Okay. Good stuff. Alright. Back. I can't believe brother thinks he's responsible for all of this. You know how stupid he is? I had to tell him to shut up. Shut up, sis. I'm responsible for the money, and you're responsible for the diamonds and the necklace. You shut up. No, it really is. Now, you're gonna make me mad, boy. No. No. You're responsible for the money. No, I'm responsible for the money. No, you're responsible for money. Okay, fine. Alright, fine. You want me to break it down before I hit you. Ah! Ow, stop fighting me. Ow. Ow. Man, you punched me. Why? Whatever that was. Well, not gonna be mad at you. Okay, fine. Maybe you're right. Because I am. Well, what are we gonna do? Fly? You remember Dad said not to fly it. Is that here? Yeah! Is he in this room? No. Okay then. Ooh, I want to fly. All right, baby. Look at that. Fly. All right. Come on, baby. Okay. All right. I don't know what we're gonna do. What are you think out? Whatever. $250. Man, why you just farting? Didn't I say excuse me? Was I supposed to say excuse me? Are you turning into an evil villain or something? No. You turned into an evil villain. That was 2 days ago. Stupid. Okay. Alright. Maybe, what I'm gonna do. What is this, sis? Why it smells so good? Because that was smell good stuff. Cologne. No, you haven't got cologne yet. Who cares? Look at me now. So fly.
Where's your big brother, Captain Man? Probably with your big sister. Somebody call the police.
Man, they scared.
You don't love grass, stupid.
Cheers. Hopefully you feel good. Yeah, you can sit in my seat or my. Alright, I won't sit in where your computer is. Whatever. New videos. I have a new video. Whatever. Wow. Man, Tress can't even fight now. Okay. Now. Hey sis, I like your hair. Thank you. Who's that? Wait a minute, did you use that hair sprayer that Dad had? Yeah. Oh. Man, what is this on my shoulders, man? Yeah. Hold on. What should I do? Oops. I'm just sitting here doing nothing. I know this movie's gonna come out in 2 more days, which means that's 30 hours. I know. Okay. Well, I guess it's time for little baby to get his hair washed. Our little baby, yeah, man. Hey here, Daddy. Come on, man. Do I really have to do this? I'm scared. There's nothing to be scared of, man. I want to put this thing on your head. See? It's over. Saw that? Well, guys, bye-bye.